In this video, we're going to be replacing our liftgate strut in this 2005 Honda Element. So we're going to be replacing our liftgate support struts. These are actually pretty good. They still hold the liftgate up most of the way, but if yours are not holding your liftgate up, you're going to want to work with some kind of support holding your liftgate open. I don't recommend you put it to the glass, so try and find some kind of structure. All right, so we now have a rod supporting this side. Now we can go ahead and remove our liftgate piston. On the side or on the back of each of these ends is going to be a metal band clip that we'll remove. So here on our support strut, we have a metal C-clip in the back. We have a small pick tool. You can use a small flathead screwdriver, pocket screwdriver. What we're actually going to do is just pry that C-clamp out. You don't have to take it all the way out. Just going to pry it out and then pull our strut off. We're going to do the same thing on the bottom. From here, we're just going to pry that C-clamp out and then remove our piston or strut. So to install, we're going to make sure that the ball receiving end here is clean. Sometimes what I like to do is just put a dab of grease on there, which we'll do now. Put a little dab of grease on there. We'll do the same thing on the bottom. Make sure this ball is clean. Put a little dab of grease on there. And we'll take our new piston and we're just going to push it right into place. And then the bottom. All right, so you can see we're a little bit low here. Our tailgate did settle down when we removed it. So now we can take our support out, push our tailgate up, and push our end right on. At this point, you can go ahead and let go. You want to test the operation a couple of times, make sure everything moves freely and there's no binding. Everything looks good. Close it up. They're all done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.